Good evening guys. Dhruv Bipin of class 12th Commerce from City International School is going to explain you a topic called national income. So let's get started. So guys, national income comprises of two parts which is known as AD and AS. Aggregate demand refers to the money value of all final goods and services that all the sectors in an economy are willing to purchase in an accounting year, whereas AS refers to aggregate supply. It refers to the money value of all final goods and services that all the sectors in an economy are willing to supply. In a four-sector economy, aggregate demand refers to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C refers to consumption from household, I refers to investment, whereas G refers to government expenditure and X minus M refers to net exports. Now you might be thinking how net exports would be calculated. X refers to exports whereas M refers to imports. If we subtract imports from exports, we'll get the net exports. The formula for AS is C plus S, whereas C refers to consumption and S refers to saving. At two-sector economy in an equilibrium, AD equals to AS. AD is equals to C plus I, whereas AS is equals to C plus S. Now, I would derive you verbally how it would be solved. AD is equals to C plus I, whereas AS is equals to C plus S. C plus I is equals to C plus S. If we cancel C, both the sides, we'll get I is equals to S, whereas investment is equals to savings. That means AD is equals to AS. So guys, here we move on to our next topic, which is consumption function and saving function. Consumption function refers to the functional relationship between income and consumption, means expenditure. The formula for it is C is equals to C bar plus BY. Now you might be wondering what is C bar and B and why. C bar refers to autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption refers to the consumption at zero level of income. B refers to MPC, marginal propensity to consume, and Y refers to national income. The formula for saving function is S is equals to minus C bar plus 1 minus B Y. Now you might be thinking why minus C bar is there, because if there is no saving and no consumption and no income, then we need to use our previous saving for consumption. B refers to MPC as well and Y refers to national income. The definition for saving function refers to the functional relationship between saving and income. Now we move on to the next thing, which is known as determination of employment graph, or the excess demand and deficient demand. Excess demand refers to a case when AD, aggregate demand, is more than AS, means the demand of that quantity or that product is more than its supply. It refers to the situation of inflationary gap. Now I would like to further explain what is AD or excess demand. Excess demand refers to that actual AD is more than the planned AD, which arises in inflationary gap. So inflationary gap is the gap between actual AD and planned AD. In deficient demand, it's just the reverse, that your actual AD is less, the actual AD is less than the planned AD. It arises called deflationary gap. Deflationary gap is the gap between actual aggregate demand and aggregate demand. So the quantitative measures to control it are bank rate. The bank rate refers to the rate at which central bank grants loan to the commercial bank. In the case of India, it is derived by RBI. More methods to control are CRR, open market, SLR, etc. The qualitative measures are moral suzerain, credit control policy, etc. Thank you.